Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss regional acupuncture treatments for upper back. The main channels involved in fibromyalgia pain in the upper back are the small intestine and triple burner. The muscles underlying the muscle channels of the small intestine and triple burner channels in the upper back and neck are as follows. So here, the points of the upper back for fibromyalgia. The triple burner meridian, we use the triple burner 15. For the small intestine meridian, we use SI13 and SI11. The regional acupuncture treatment. For upper back, the small intestine, the superficial, the trapezius, teres minor, infraspinatus, supraspinatus. For deep, it's teres major. For triple burner, for superficial, it's trapezius, rhomboids, lavator scapulae, splenius capitis. For deep, it's infraspinatus. The strategic points to use are SI11 or Tianzong. This point is nearly always extremely tender on palpation, and if it is, it should be needle with moxa on the needle. The SI13 or the true one, this point is also nearly always very tender on pressure. It is a good point also because it is general point for painful obstruction syndrome. The last is the triple burner 15 or the Tian Liao. Thank you for your attention.